Okay, listing today the 10th of May 26, 2014 Transit Custom 200 in silver. It's done the miles, it's done 197,000, 198 actually, I've just gone over. I've done a couple of hundred miles in it myself. And mechanically, gearbox, clutch, engine, excellent. It's clearly been looked after at some point. There's a few little bits on the body, point that out first. All these are watermarks from washing it, but if you're looking at the eBay listing, then I'll point out everything. A little bit of a drama there, tiny little scuffs on the arch there, a little push dent there, bottom of the light chip, but that's okay, it still passes. The rear doors, good, apart from got a bit of a whack there, a few little bits and pieces, scratches. Presents really well though. They're always doing silver. Now, I've beat the postman. Basically, this should have come. It screws in there, so there'll be the silver cover here. That's late, so that'll be on it. Wheel trim's good. I'm thinking of taking those off and matte black in behind there, clean it up a bit. Side door all good. Again, I think that, yeah, a little scratch. Use little tiny little bits on the door edges. Passenger door all good. Front wing all good. Bonnet good. Not that many stone chips. Lights nice, not too faded or yellowed. Front end very good. That front bumper's in excellent condition. Okay. Nothing too drastic on there. It's ply lined. The floor I've flipped around actually. I bought the wrong screwdriver with me. Wrong drive on the screwdrivers to get the floor down. But I need to secure the floor. And here. Get the floor down. Get that down. So basically, yeah, it presents well. Jack and brace there. No dents in the roof. I think for its age and mileage, it's very tidy. Before I forget, I can offer nationwide delivery for the cost of the fuel and the train home. On the interior, again, I'll point out any bad bits. That's it's best, probably easier to do it this side. The grab handle there with the, I was going to replace just the inner section there, but I'm looking at this here and that there, that needs replacing. One of those will be on order, so whether you beat me to it or buying it or afterwards, I'll post that on. That's just a case of clipping that in. Apart from that, all good. Clean. I don't I'm not a detailer basically, but I do get them. I use a spot cleaner on the seats. I've left a bit of dust on that one, bear with. And on the driver's seat, all clean, no bolts to wear. There's a crack in this outer plastic here, but it's secure. And there's a little spot on the seat there. I think if you're keen, you could get that out. I just don't want to ruin it with then, well, not knowing what to use on it basically. A couple of clutch pedal rubbers on order, so I think that should cover more in detail than just a straightforward eBay listing. I like to make sure everybody's aware of exactly how the vehicle is, but it's a good one, it really is. So it's done 198, like I say. Starts on the button, ticks over right, and brake off. All the lights go out. The rear door's open, so that'll come on. The temperature stays in the middle, and it drives excellent. There's no, turn off so you can hear me. Actually, yeah, fan works all good. All speeds, positions. Noise. Yeah, noise machine's good. You got the usual upper storage that you get with the Transits. This being the sort of lower spec model, you don't get your heads up, well, no, not heads up, the inner display there, and I think that's about it. You don't get the cruise. You do get the steering wheel controls for the radio there. You get good. The 5-speed on these is quite a long gearing, so it's not that different from the 6, I don't think. On the 5th on the motorway, just over, well, around about 70, you're only doing 2000 RPM. Excellent on fuel with a 1.6 TDCI engine they've got in them. I think that's about it in the cab. Yeah, engine good, gearbox good, clutch bite is good. No rattles, knocks, no drop links, no ball joints out. It's all tight. I think that's about it. Just have another quick walk round and then shut up. Oh, MOT December the 9th this year, so that's 8-9 months. I did check, it's 214 days or whatever that is, just checked it. So yeah, obviously with the miles it's done, it's a little bit few battle scars, but not many, just a few little car park dings. Tidy interior, all doors all good, connect top and bottom. I suspect that's been changed. Somebody's put transit connect on that. Side door and all of the connecting pieces, all of this are blown out, you get a load of rubbish in there. That's nice and smooth. Yep, so all good apart from the few bits I've pointed out. To confirm that it will be on order. Side metal or plastic section here, that's on order, screws in there. I'd imagine it screws in behind the light there. The plastic over there I'll leave. I don't think there's anything else. Oh yeah, I'll change the oil and the air filter and fuel filter. And that's about it. Okay, thanks for watching. This will be on eBay on the evening of the 10th of May 26.